Like kami kai Government LP School kabahap hapo ka Sora Subdivision of East Khas Hill District of Meghalaya. The number of posts ka total vacancy baro kabahap hapo ka Sora Subdivision kan pratali tenam ta ki UR kadai artali ki post nriutali ki post nam tai khasi jaintya ani garo pat nam ta ki order SST kamdon post ai total vacancy hangne kadon tang pratali hapo Sora Subdivision. Qualification candidate for lower L primary school teacher class 12 pass with 50% for general candidate, 45 for STSC candidate with DLED or graduate with BEd aspire and CTE qualification. Mau kita mendap ya MTED, mendap ya DLED pass certificate compulsory. Language proficiency will require aspire the medium of instruction. Kandai ka last date nam takane submit kandai live poetry August arjar apply. Haban lai submit chapok office jong SDSCO Sora Subdivision hapok Sora mat kandai batch offline amdon online pihak menlai submit hi hapok office jong SDSCO Sora Subdivision. Kita ngene ki jong tip kuliah